Yo, what's poppin'? Jacques Slade here, and it looks like you made it home with your JBL Stage 2 speakers and your JBL AVR. To help get you up and running, let's do an unboxing and a quick start setup. For our unboxing, we have the JBL Modern Audio 710 AVR, the JBL 250B bookshelf speakers, and the 220p subwoofer. However, whether you go all out or pare it down like the 2.1 system we have here, you'll experience immersive sound and a beautiful modern design. Unboxing the JBL 710 AVR, you'll receive the audio-video receiver, a set of antenna, a remote control, and a power adapter. On the inside, the 710 is packed with features like Bluetooth technology, beautiful modern design elements, easy setup room EQ, 7.2 channels of high-performance immersive surround sound system with a stereo-driven 110 watts per channel, 8K HDMI 2.1 for uncompressed, full-resolution audio, Wi-Fi music streaming via AirPlay and Chromecast, processed spatial audio with native decoding of Dolby Atmos and DTS:X in a 5.2.2 configuration, a moving magnet phono stage for playing records, and of course, party mode. Inside the box with the Stage 2 speakers, in this case the 250B, you have the speakers themselves and a magnetized grill that you can use to change the look of your setup. For the 220p, you'll receive the speaker, the grill, a power adapter, and additional spiked feet. You'll also get the warranty information and manual that you should definitely read. Like the AVRs, the Stage 2 speakers are packed with features, from the exceptional audio performance for music and movies, to the technology that ensures you hear every detail wherever you sit, to the patented technology that gives you clear dialogue and impactful bass, and of course, the beautiful modern finish in latte or espresso colors created to blend in with your home decor. For this initial setup, you're going to need a few additional items that are not included with your system: an HDMI 2.1 cable to connect the AVR to your television, speaker wire to connect the JBL MA AVR to your JBL Stage 2 speakers, and an RCA subwoofer cable to connect your subwoofer to the AVR. For a setup like this, we recommend putting the 250Bs to the left and right of your television on a flat surface, preferably not pushed up against the wall and evenly spaced apart from the display and from the main seating area. For the 220p subwoofer, it should be placed to the left or right of the 250Bs on the floor, preferably in a corner or near a wall to optimize the bass depending on your room design. Okay, let's get things connected. As mentioned earlier, for this step, you will need your HDMI 2.1 cable and speaker wire. By the way, we recommend using a minimum of 14 gauge speaker wire for your setup. Now, before powering on your AVR, connect the HDMI cable to the HDMI port on your smart TV marked as ARC or EARC. However, if your TV does not have an HDMI port with ARC, you can connect it to the normal HDMI. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to assume you have an EARC HDMI port. Connect the other end into the EARC HDMI port on the back of the AVR. Okay, for your speakers and subwoofer, connect the speaker wire to the speakers, making sure to mirror the positive and negative connections on the back of the AVR, as well as the left and right designation. You should also connect the subwoofer to the sub-out port on the back of the AVR with an RCA subwoofer cable. And just like that, you're connected and ready to go. Super easy, right? Okay, power on your AVR and television, and the system should automatically detect your EARC HDMI cable. If not, first check that your television ARC setting is enabled. Second, be sure that the TV ARC is selected as the input on your AVR. This would also be a great time to use the included remote control for the volume to switch inputs and the surround sources. Be sure to download the JBL Premium app from the iOS or Android store. This will allow you to connect the AVR to your home Wi-Fi network, stream music through Google Chromecast and AirPlay, as well as a few other useful features. Simply select the device from the initial screen and follow the prompts to enter your Wi-Fi information and whether or not you agree to the Chromecast terms of service, and you'll be set up. While getting your system connected and set up is a simple and intuitive process, there are a few pro tips we wanted to share with you to make sure you get the most out of your system. Everything from using your JBL Premium app to stream music, upgrading to a 5.1 system, to even calibrating your room to make sure the EQ is optimized for your specific room. Be sure to check out our Setting Up Your JBL System video to learn how to maximize your modern audio AVR and Stage 2 speakers. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the JBL channel. We are always looking for ways to make your products better, and this channel is one of the first places to find out about new tips and tricks to maximize your JBL experience.